From the position of UK PM to CEOs of several tech giants, Indians have been dominating the world. So it is evident that the nation will be represented widely in one of the biggest global events that is taking place on Saturday. UK's Charles III will be crowned king in Britain's biggest ceremonial event in 7 decades. Charles succeeded his mother Queen Elizabeth when she died last year in September. At the age of 74, he will become the oldest British monarch to have the 360-year-old St. Edward's crown placed on his head as he sits upon a 14th century throne at London Westminster Abbey. Watched by about 100 heads of state and dignitaries including US First Lady Jill Biden, Charles follows 40 predecessors in being crowned in the Abbey, which has staged all the country's coronations since William the Conqueror back in 1066. His second wife, 75-year-old Camilla, will also be crowned queen during the 2-hour ceremony, which, while rooted in history, will attempt to present a forward-looking monarchy and nation. India's Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and actor Sonam Kapoor are among the Indians invited to his coronation ceremony in London. Dhankar, who will officially represent India, reached London on Friday along with his wife Sudesh Dhankar for the star-studded royal extravaganza. Actor Sonam Kapoor will deliver a spoken word performance to introduce the Commonwealth Virtual Choir. Besides, reports said that two what Indians call Dabbawalas from Mumbai will represent their fraternity at the coronation event. They bought a Puneri turban and a shawl made by the Warkari community to give the king on the special occasion. Charles had visited the renowned lunchbox delivery men of Mumbai during his visit in India in 2003. The Dabbawalas were also invited to Charles's wedding with Camilla Parker Bowles. Several Indian community workers who have been associated with the King's charity initiatives are also invited, including a self-made consultant and a chef. Saurabh Pharke, a 37-year-old Pune-born architect who graduated from Charles's Foundation's Building Craft program and the Princess Foundation School of Traditional Arts too, has been invited to the event. A 33-year-old woman named Gulfsha, who was awarded the Princess Trust Global Award last year, is on the list as well. She's from Delhi. She now works for a consultancy firm providing price estimates for construction projects. Indian origin Jay Patel from Canada is also on the guest list for completing the Princess Trust Canada's youth employment program last May. He has secured a chef's job at the iconic CN Tower in Toronto. Indian origin chef Manju Malhi will be among the chosen few British Empire Medal or BEM recipients seated at Westminster Abbey. And last but not least, Rishi Sunak, the first Indian origin Prime Minister of Britain, will recite from the biblical book of Colossians at the coronation ceremony. He and his wife Akshata Murthy will also lead the procession of flag bearers. His other Indian origin peers will represent the different faiths at the ceremony. Lord Indrajit Singh will represent the Sikh faith and Lord Syed Kamal of Indo-Guyanese heritage will represent the Muslim faith.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.